Hi children, welcome back to Ma'am's class. So now we have completed block 11 and today we are going to begin block 12, writing a letter. See the word letter. What do you mean by this letter? See, my friend sent to me a letter or I am writing a letter. So what do you mean by letter? It is not an alphabetical letter. We use this letter for communication. But nowadays, we are not writing any letter. Am I right? Have you ever written any letter? No. Instead of that, you all are chatting through WhatsApp, Facebook, Telegram, Twitter. Right? And because of this, we are not having any interest to write these types of letter. But children, before so many years, our grandparents used this type of letters. They will write something on the paper and they will send to their dearest ones. And it will be reaching after some days only. Right? So nowadays we are not using any types of letter, but instead of that we all are very busy in chatting. So what is the difference between this writing letter and with this chatting? What is the main difference between these two things? Yes, if you are chatting means whatever you are chatting in WhatsApp, it will reach on the spot. Within seconds, it will send. But what about this letter? Yes, after writing this letter, we have to put this letter into an envelope. Then we have to put it in post box like this. And after that, someone came to pick up this letters. Who was that? Yes, it was the postman. So he will come and collect all the postcards, all the letters inside this post box, and he will give all those letters to the post office. And after that only that will send to that dearest ones, those whom we are writing. Right? So in between this writing letter and getting that letter to that beloved ones, there are so many steps. But if you are chatting, there are nothing in between this. Whatever we are chatting, that will send within seconds. Okay, so our today's topic is writing a letter. So children, there are so many types of letter. One is personal letter, an official, and also formal and informal. What do you mean by formal and informal? Formal letter means it is an official letter. That means if we are writing a letter to your principal sir or collector, prime minister or chief minister or any higher authorities, that are called formal letter. Okay, then what do you mean by this informal letter? Informal letter means it is called the personal letter. Personal letter and informal letter, both are same. That means if you are writing a letter to your dearest ones, like father, mother, as I told you before, that are called this personal letter or informal letter. So today we are going to learn something about personal letter. So before writing this personal letter, you have to learn the main elements of the letter. The letter has 5 important parts. Which are they? Do you have any idea? Okay, so let's discuss in this class. The first part is heading. What do you mean by heading? Heading means it includes the writer's complete address and also the date. Okay, writer's complete address means the ones who is writing the letter. That is mean by this writer. So it includes the writer's complete address. Okay, it will include this heading. So this is the first part. This is the first element of this letter. Okay, then second one is salutation. So what do you mean by this salutation? Yes, the salutes you know, right? But here that is not mean by the salute. The salutation means greeting, how to greet others. For example, if you're meeting your dearest ones, then how will you greet them? Yes, you will greet like hi or hello my dear friend. Right? This how you will greet. So this salutation means it is about this greetings. How to greet. Okay. So this greeting means by this salutation. And 3. The third step is the body. So the third part is body. What do you mean by the body? Body means the matter. Okay, or the concept that we are discussing. Whatever the message that we are sending through this letter, that is called this body. So it will be writing in 1 or 2 paragraphs. Then this fourth one is closing. What do you mean by the word closing? Closing means it is about the ending, how to conclude the letter. Okay, so it is about this conclusion, how to conclude a letter. That is mean by this closing. And one more part it has. It is the last one, signature. What do you mean by the signature? Yes, of course, it is about your sign. Okay, that is mean by this signature. So here ma'am is putting my sign here. So children, these are the important parts of a personal letter. Okay, we are discussing about this personal letter. So which are they? Yes, heading, salutation, body, closing and signature. So with the help of these elements, let us make a letter. Okay, so what we have to do? Yes, you have to take out your notebook and take one new page, and you have to write the block's name and also writing a letter. As the title you can write like this, writing a letter. Okay, so here now ma'am is writing a letter to my friend. So likewise you can also write a letter to your friend. Okay, your close friends you can make. So how to start? Yes, first one is heading. So what are the things we will write in heading part? Yes, it will include the writer's complete address. So here who is the writer? Yes, ma'am is the writer. So now I want to write my address here. So I can write the address. First I can write my house name like Thotolil. Then second one I can write my place. I am from Kuminiparambu. Okay, so likewise you can write wherever you are from. Okay, then Thotolil, Kuminiparambu, then the district name also you can write. Okay, it is Malappuram. And at last you can write the date. What is date today? Yes, it is 12 October 2021. So children, this how you can make this heading part. Okay, so first you can write your house name, then the place and also the district, and at last you can write the date too. And what is the second one? Yes, it is about the greeting, salutation, how to greet your friend. So after keeping some distance from here, you can write like this, dear Manisha. Here ma'am is writing my friend's name like this, dear Manisha. And after I can put a comma like this. Okay children, after writing this salutation, after writing this greeting, here you can put a comma like this. Then below to the bottom you can start. You can make the body. Means you can write whatever you likes to ask. That you can write from the next line onwards. So I can write like, how are you? How are you? Then I hope you are fine. Then how was your studies? Okay, did you complete all your notes? Likewise, you can ask anything in this body, in this matter. Okay, as the matter you can ask anything, and at last you can conclude. You can close this letter. So how to close this letter? Yes, you can close this letter like I am concluding my letter. Concluding my letter. And also you can add a few more lines like I'm expecting your reply soon. Likewise, you can add 2 more lines here. And here this part you can make with love. You can write like with love or yours lovingly. This how also you can write. Actually this you can write at this end part. You can conclude like this, yours lovingly or yours truly. Likewise you can complete, or else you can write with love, then write your name. Here I can write my name Jafna and I can put my signature also to the bottom. Okay children, so this how you can make a personal letter. So first write this heading. This was about this heading. In short, here I have written like this. And second word, this is about greeting or salutation. And this all about body. Okay, the matter that you are asking or the concepts in this letter. Then the last one, this part we can call like closing. Okay, and at last here you can put this signature. Okay, so children, this is how you can make a personal letter. So hope this is clear to you. This is how you can make a letter to your friends, okay, with your address and also whatever the things that you likes to ask. That how you can make the letter. Okay, so now let's take out your English workbook, page number 2020, elements of a personal letter. First one, read the parts of a letter, number them in the order that they appear in a letter. So some elements are given, like these type of parts are given in this page. So according to that elements, you have to make them in an order. So what is the first step? Yes, first one is the heading, right? So the first one, this is about this heading. It does tell us from where he is writing and also which day he is writing. Okay, the date and address, this is the first one. So here inside this bracket, you can put number 1 because this is the first step. Then second one, what is the second one? Yes, salutation, about greeting. Yes, which step it is? Dear Aditi. That is the second one. And third one, how are you doing? I just got back from my 10-day vacation in Bekal. This how. So the third one is this. And fourth one is matter. So actually this is also related to the matter and this one also related to the matter. So this is also matter. Here you can put number 4 and 5 is concluding, how to end. You can end up like I am concluding my letter or I am ending up my words. Likewise you can conclude, but here it is like there is a lot more to see. I will tell you more when we meet next month. Write to me soon. This how this letter is ending here. So that is number 5. And the 6th one, yours lovingly. Likewise yours lovingly or with love or yours truly. Likewise you can end. So according to these elements you have to make them in an order. And second one, why do we write letters, and give 2 reasons. Here what you have to do is you have to write the 2 reasons why we are writing letter. Why do we write a letter? Yes, we are writing a letter to convey a message, or for communication we will write a letter. And one more reason you can write like we can keep the letter as a memory for us, right? So children, let's think about if you are getting any letter from your friend, then after 10 or 15 years you are taking that letter back and you are reading again. So how do you feel? Yes, we are feeling so happy, right? So likewise we can kept it as a memory, right? So this is how you can make this question number 2. And S2, planning and writing a letter. Write a letter on the topic my Diwali celebration using details from the 5 senses. Here what you have to do is, here you have to make a letter like this on the topic Diwali celebration. But instead of this Diwali celebration, you can make your own festival, how to celebrate it, like Eid or Onam celebration or Christmas. Okay, anything you can choose instead of this Diwali celebration, because we are not that much celebrating this festival. Okay, so likewise you can complete this page number 21 and also take page number 22, reviewing a letter. What you have to do is, here one letter is given, you have to read this letter and check the checklist which is given here on this page. So if it is yes, put a tick mark over yes, and if it is no, just put a tick mark over no. Okay, this is how you can complete this S1, S2 and S3. There is no practice questions I am giving you in today's class. So hope this is clear to you. We'll meet in the next class. Bye-bye.